This is what it looked like before. In order, if you ever have to swap these controls out, you take off your speaker pod, and inside here you have two Torx nuts. I don't know if you can see that in there. And you unscrew those. This little bracket piece has a slot for the wires to slide through. I'll go ahead and grab the other one to show you that. So this is what it looks like outside. You have a slot here. When you take these out, your wires can slide through, turn it, and pull out. So go ahead and take these out. Little piece here comes out. Then you're come out that way. This takes a little bit of finagling, but the connector as a whole will come out, but you just got to hold your tongue right. There we go. So whenever it's in there, this is what holds the piece in. So the wires will slide through there. Mounts like that. There we go, second one's out. Alright. Get that all apart without damaging anything. You can reuse that, clean it up, rejuvenate it, and use it again.